The elites are buying insanely many Cardano. What's the reason behind all this? Watch this video until the end to learn more about it. Since the launch of the ADA token's mainnet in 2021, Cardano's ADA token has been positioned as a potential Ethereum killer. As a community-backed project, Cardano has attracted plenty of big money investors or elite investors, commonly referred to as whales in the cryptocurrency industry. Furthermore, it is evident here that these whales are increasing their holdings of ADA. Moreover, data reveals whales are bargain hunting for the ADA token on Cardano's programmable blockchain as the decentralized finance protocols or DeFi dominate the market. As of January 2022, SundaeSwap, a decentralized exchange or DEX with a total value locked or TVL of $114.36 million, has been open for business. Based on the information provided by blockchain analytics firm Into the Block, the amount of money held by addresses that contain 1 million to 10 million coins reached a record of 12 billion ADA, or equivalent to $9.72 billion on the first week of March. Additionally, a new all-time high of $160.79 million was hit by the Cardano network TVL during the past week, according to DeFi Llama. And in SundaeSwap, more than 71% of the funds remained locked up. Aside from this, several venture capitalists are investing in projects built on the Cardano blockchain. Furthermore, DEX AdaSwap announced its $2.6 million crowdfunding campaign in the first week of March, led by iAngels and several others, including actress and producer Gal Gadot, who was joined by her husband, Jason Varsano. Moreover, Lucas Altamuro, head of research at Into the Block, said, as quoted in the report, Cardano appears to be showing signs of promise for more to come after years without launching smart contracts. This appears to be translating into an accumulation of ADA from large players. Additionally, he stated, after years of lacking smart contract capabilities, Cardano is starting to show some traction in its application layer. DEXs on Cardano have raised capital from reputable crypto funds such as Three Arrows Capital. In response to Whale increasing their holdings, Lucas stated, following a 70% correction, these addresses have now been accumulating aggressively. This group, as well as those holding over 100 million ADA, recorded double-digit growth month over month. These Whale addresses had previously sold a large amount of their holdings right before ADA began to crash. In addition to this, if the broader market finds its footing, the renewed interest of large investors will point to better times to come. Further, earlier whale selling in September was an early indicator of a downward trend in prices, and as of September 2nd, the price of ADA had reached $3 and has since lost more than 70%. Also, as of the second weekend in March, it is trading for $0.7795. In the meantime, share your price predictions for Cardano in 2022 in the comments section. Known as proof-of-stake cryptocurrency, Cardano aims to empower change-makers, innovators, and visionaries to make a positive impact on the world. Cardano was founded in 2017 and is named after the Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano of the 16th century. Further, ADA tokens are designed to allow their owners to participate in the operation of the network. Since this is the case, holders of the cryptocurrency can vote on any changes that seek to be made to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonzo hard fork, which caused the Cardano price to rise by 116% in the following month. After the launch of the Cardano Alonzo hard fork on September 12th, smart contracts for the blockchain were implemented and over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours. In addition, the company's Cardano-based projects enable agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to table, and other products built on the platform make it possible to store credentials in a tamper-proof manner so that educational credentials can be protected, and retailers can detect counterfeit goods. These outcomes are also likely for Cardano holders if buyers remain elusive. Since the hype behind Cardano entered the mainstream in 2021, the price has seen enormous gains, yet the majority of newly arrived investors have lost most of their money. Since the dollar was not able to hold on to the emotionally significant level of $1 in the past couple of months, the asset could once again slide southward. Although the coin has a 0.76 correlation with Bitcoin, it does not react as strongly to a bullish Bitcoin as it does to a bearish one. And Cardano may see selling pressure mount once again because of these factors. In addition, ADA one-day chart shows a clear downtrend in the price over the past few months. For the bulls, the $1.2 support was held as a must-hold level in December last year. Similarly, the $1 level, which held steady into late January and early February, has also been broken. It appeared the price was on its way to a daily close below the 0.817 level currently. Moreover, the $1 must be flipped to support the longer-term outlook to flip from bearish to bullish. Also, short-term demand at 75 cents may have kept ADA on the charts, but it is unlikely to keep it there for long. Furthermore, as the RSI made higher lows with the price making lower lows, it formed a bullish divergence. In the meantime, the core trend has been bearish since the start of the year, so this divergence won't likely change it. Also, it was already descending when the divergence occurred. Therefore, momentum was firmly on the side of the bears as the awesome oscillator stayed below the zero line. As for the on-balance volume, it has been trending southward, indicating that the selling volume is greater than the buying volume daily. Further, the CVD indicator was in bear territory. Additionally, the indicators demonstrated that momentum and selling volume both pointed to the downside, and the market structure was bearish. Consequently, it seems unlikely that the dollar resistance zone will be broken anytime soon, and there could be a slight bounce in the south for 75 cents and 69 cents. Another update is that Cardano is up by 8%, and the full story behind ADA's latest hike is that Cardano is expected to rally. Despite a bullish state on the derivatives front, the exchange performance on-chain remains bearish. Considering Cardano has fallen by 71.15% in the last 6 months, things remain this way for a while. Furthermore, this isn't the first rally that has been invalidated by Cardano. Investors who are already frustrated by the altcoin's slow recovery efforts may lose all confidence in it now. Only about 10% of investors are in profit right now, with 88% at a loss for another reason. And a large part of their losses can be attributed to the fact that most of them, who is year-old, only joined due to Cardano's 2021 hype. Meanwhile, ADA had also managed to gain a lot of investors due to its smart contract offerings. Consequently, their losses at the moment make sense because ADA is already below its level of February 2021. In reality, the whales who are considered as the elite buyers have been the only entities active in the last month. Furthermore, the average transaction value for these cohorts throughout February was $12 billion. In addition, the peak value reached $42 billion. As long as the market value of Cardano was positive until January, at least it was worth something. But it has since fallen below the neutral zone of 1 and is now at a 0.8 level, which cannot be revived by an 8% hike in the chart. Could the expected price rally after this bearish market condition of Cardano be the reason why the elites are buying insanely many Cardano? Meanwhile, the ADA ecosystem continues to grow, with over 500 projects now built on Cardano. Moreover, Cardano's network underwent a significant upgrade in September 2021 that enabled smart contracts to be implemented, which enabled the network to operate and grow at a faster rate than it had been before. Also, with the upgrade, the network has achieved several significant milestones in recent months as the development of the blockchain has surged. According to a LinkedIn post by Tim Harrison, the marketing and communications director at Input Output Global, the Cardano ecosystem is thriving, with 517 projects built on ADA as of March 11th, including non-fungible tokens, collections, DeFi lending, and new wallets. Further, Harrison posted, the Cardano ecosystem continues to grow, with now over 500 projects building on Cardano, from NFT collections to DeFi lending and new wallets. Props to all the IOG team that continues to drive the platform forward. In addition, the NFT collections represent 34.7% of the projects being developed on Cardano. And on March 6th, Finbold reported that 1 million NFTs were minted on Cardano over the weekend. This implies that the Cardano network is in constant growth and development. As of the end of January 2022, Cardano has received a total of over 1,000 smart contracts and over 3 million new ADA wallets. Despite the continued growth of the ADA ecosystem, Cardano is forming its 7th straight monthly red candle, signaling the continuation of a prolonged bear market for the largest proof-of-stake asset. Following all of Cardano's developments, traders are watching closely for any signs that the crypto could be able to escape a 7th straight red candle, or if an entry opportunity exists for buying Cardano. It is interesting to note that the CoinMarketCap crypto community predicts Cardano's price to reach $1.50 by March 31st. However, it remains to be seen whether the digital asset can maintain an upward trajectory that almost doubled its value in a little more than 2 weeks. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. Look in the comments section for what to do. Make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.